Hi everyone, I've been on YouTube and I've been looking at buying some heated curlers and I couldn't find a review anywhere that was new, so I thought I'm going to do my own. But I did find one on the curlers I wanted, so I have been and bought 35 quid in Sainsburys these Babyliss rollers. So they are forever old, these Babyliss ones, so they've got to be good. The reviews were good and I did see a video, but they weren't purple, so mine are purple. This is what I got all my rollers in there, so you get 20 curlers, you get some little pins, and you also get some clips as well. So it's taken about 20 minutes, I would say, to heat up. And how you can tell they're ready is this one is red, but when it's hot enough, it goes white. So these are ready to go in my hair now. So you get the 20 curlers, you get the clips, and you also get these. So these are for the larger ones and the medium ones, and then the little pins are for the smaller ones. So we're gonna have a go at doing the curlers, and I haven't done this, God, I don't know how long, probably when I was 15-year-old and I'm 45 now, so 30 years ago I last done this. And I don't think you ever lose your knack. So I'm going to do this now. I will speed a bit of this up, so I'm not boring you as rigid. But I just think it's really good to see a good review. I didn't think my hair was that tatty. I just brushed it through a minute ago. Right, okay, let's get these put in. So I'm going to lift the lid, take the curler out, and I'm going to shut the lid again to keep the heat in, so they don't cool down too quick. Okay. I'm also, they're really good. That's really secure. What I'm going to do is half my head, I want to have like a ringlet, and the other I'm just going to do it as I would know, well, what everybody else does. But I want to try a bit different as well. That's me. I always like to do things a bit different. Right, so that's the first curler in, that went in no bother. Also, what I have done is I washed my hair yesterday, so it's got a bit of God knows what in it today, because I've been out. And that's the best way, I think. You don't want to, let me just say that, there. We don't want too soft a hair, because otherwise the curls are just going to drop out. I noticed that when I had my tongs. It is better to wash your hair the day before you're going to do your hair. Also, you could hairspray as I'm putting each curler in, but I'm not going anywhere. It's only to show you a demo on the actual product of these Babyliss rollers. So let's see. Right, so we're going to do a couple around here. So if I do these that way, they really are easy to go in, and they're not burning my hand or anything. I think I missed my vocation at being a hairdresser. I love doing hair. Another one. I mean, 35 quid for these, I didn't think was too bad at all. And I've done, is anybody else like me, do loads of Google research? That's what I've done, loads of Google research. But there was nothing on YouTube. Right, okay, so we've got those ones in. I'm going to start to do these ones this way. Then I will speed it up. Right, that's it. I've had these cooling right down probably for about half an hour. I've just been sitting on the computer letting them cool down, and they are ready to come out. So let's see. So let's take this side out and see what curl this gives me. Ooh, it's very bouncy. quickly. Let's see. Now I did put smaller ones at the bottom to see what that would come out like. Let's put these away at the same time. They come out really, really easy. I think it's given a brilliant curl, isn't it? I'm really impressed with that, because when you're using the tongs, your arm does ache. But at least with this, you could even do a pile of ironing while you're letting these cool down. Oh, that one knotted? No, there we go. And I left, there was 6. I didn't use all, so they come with 20, and I used 14 of them in my hair, so I could have probably used more if I wanted to. Oh, now they've really gave it more of a curl. Like going doing it at that angle. Let's see what these are like. Yeah, what a difference. You can definitely see by winding them that way, you get that sort of curl, and when you wind them that way, you get more of a softer curl. It's a good job I'm not going anywhere tonight, isn't it? Or maybe I should now. Do you think people would notice? Oh, I really like these. And as I said, if you wanted to, you could use hairspray before you actually put these in. But I didn't, I just put them on a day's unwashed hair. That sounds really sexy, doesn't it? Ooh. One more to go. Right, let's see. There we go, that colour's gone a bit funny. So now I need to just tousle them, don't I? And then there really is a total difference, isn't there, to the way you're winding them. I like them both. I like them both ways. This one, because I've got layers in my hair, definitely gives me the volume. This one definitely gives me the ringlet, which I do like as well. So there we go. Let's put my headband in. I like Shirley Temple. I like this one. I actually prefer that side. So I think I'm going to do full head, the curlers that way. And we'll see what it looks like. So I'll do that another time, but at the minute I'm definitely not going anywhere because I've got a lopsided head. But anyway, I hope that's helped, and it's helped you decide whether to get some heated rollers. I highly definitely recommend them, because as I say, you can just put them in, leave them, do what you need to do some work on the computer, do your ironing, and then you're done, and then you can titty-fala and get yourself out.